Hey friends, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,000 in a week with this side hustle. In this video, I'm going to show you different website where you can work and side hustle and get paid. So make sure to watch end of this video and I will show you how you can make passive income. So if you are totally brand new in my YouTube channel, let me introduce myself. I'm Norina Kaval. I'm helping the people how to make money online and I'm affiliate marketer and I will share with you how I start my online business. And let's move on. I will show you very first website. The very first website is focusgroup.com and where you just need to give your opinion and get paid. So the world leading brands wants to get you touch with you. So participate online from your computer whenever it is most convenient for you. Participate on the telephone at the time that are most convenient for you. Participate in person at one of our friendly informal focus group venue. So basically you just need to give your opinion and get paid. So you can go here and watch and join and participate different survey and get paid. So now I'm going to show you another website where you can get paid to do some different surveys. So this is usertesting.com. I love this website. You can see here you just need to test some product and get paid. You can go there, you can watch the different product reviews, and if you are using daily basis you can give the review, test anything, so you can get paid. So you can go in this website, watch the video demo and get paid to test. So if you missed my previous video, I show there how I sign up in this website and how I test the survey. So you can go this website and test and get paid. So next website I will show you how you can do it. So next one is kimi.com. So it's almost same with other website. So basically you just need to share your opinion and shop to real cash rewards. They will give you real cash points and reward and gift cards. So basically this is an app you just need to download into your phone, sign up and enjoy the survey and opinion. You can see here this is a survey and cashback and deals. You can go through this website, install this app into your phone and enjoy. So you can see here earn during your downtime. Like if you have no job you can do it. If you have full-time job you can do it in like a side hustle with this website. So basically these are very great side hustle. They will give you real money. So now I am going to next. So the next one is a rent a friend. Basically rent a friend mean to rent a friend. When you go another country or another city, you don't know where is this location, which restaurant is good, which places need to watch. So you need some guidance. So you just need to go on this website and rent a friend and get paid. So this is a crazy and I love this website. You can see here people are making lots of money with this website. Baking, cooking, sporting events. So you can see and rent the friend and get paid. So similar website I will show you how you can. So the another website similar to rent a friend is show around. Show around is basically same as rent a friend. You can see here people are charging $19 per hour, just giving you can say company. Here you can see people are charging $26 an hour, $14 an hour. So they just give the company, you can say, guidance in someone come into new country, new city. They just go in this website and rent a friend and get paid. You can see here. So apply here. You can go through this website, and if you have 1 to 2 hours, if you have lost your job, you can go in this website and start side hustle and get paid. So being a rent friend, you can see here. So the next one I will show you is onespace.com. Here just you need to is like a freelancer, like you already know about fiverr.com, upwork.com, peopleperhour.com. so it's same like this. If you are Google ad manager, expert in Facebook ad, YouTube ad, anything, so you just need to go in this website and work as freelancer. So you can go through here. If you are good reader, so anything according to your category, you can go in this website and provide your services and get paid. So you can see here e-commerce keyword research, product content optimization, product information management, product content, and digital shelf monitoring. You can go here, sign up and get started. So this is a best side hustle for you. I will suggest you go in this website and participate and get paid if you are low in money, if you are lose your job. So you can go through and watch this. So next website I'm going to show you is my favorite website. When I was not in my online business, I also installed this website in my phone and I get paid with this website. You can see this is a Google opinion reward.com, and this is our top rated app, and you just need to give your opinion to Google and Google will be pay you. You just need to go through, install this app in your phone and give your opinion and get paid. So you can see here they will pay you points, gift card or cash via PayPal. So you can enjoy the Google opinion reward.com. So the next one is my favorite. I will show you. This is this is scribey.com. So scribey.com is basically is auto transcription, right? So it's a mean if you have any skill like I'm speaking, you can type, right? So I'm just giving you an easy way explanation so you can transcribe. So basically there is lots of people who can transcribe the YouTube video. So they go in this website and hire the people and they pay, right? So if I need someone who can transcribe my video like typing, so I will go in this website scribey.com and hire the people and give them, right? So the another website you can see here, this is a rev.com. Same, this is a typing job. You just need to write under the video, right? Like a YouTube video. So you can see here $1.25 per minute writing video to write. So when someone speak, you just need to write, right? So this is transcription to website. So if you are love in typing, you can go into website and apply as transcription and get paid. I love this website. I already tried this website. You can go, and if you are typing master, you can go and definitely you will earn lots of money with this website. So the next one I am going to show you is a complete online passive income website. So let's move on. I will show you how you can get started with this website. This is my best and favorite website. This is a legendary marketer. So in this website, they will teach you how to start an profitable online business in just 15 days. You can see here in the right side, in the left side there is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 5. So there is 15 days pre-recorded lecture. You just need to go in this website, sign up, get paid, and take this lecture and start your own online business with high ticket affiliate marketing, right? So if you don't know about high ticket affiliate marketing mean promoting high price product and get high price commission. So you can go and start there and take the 15 days training. Once you get this training, you can start your own online business, so you can make passive income, right? So basically the purpose of all these websites, if you have lose your job, if you want any side hustle, you can go through in this website and make some extra money, right? So you can make $1,000 in a week. So if you want to make passive income or your own online business, so you can go in Legendary Marketer, sign up and start your 15 days challenge. This is only $7. You can start your online business, promote the product and get commission. So they will teach you 6-figure high ticket online affiliate marketing business. So stay tuned with me. If you have any question, just drop down a comment and see the description down below, and you can watch my other video where I teach how to make money online and how you can being a freelancer. So make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and see the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.